When it comes to protecting your car's shine, not all waxes are created equal. Whether you're a weekend warrior detailing your ride or just want that mirror-like finish, choosing the right wax can make all the difference. Carnauba wax and synthetic wax are two of the most popular options. But which one is better for your car, lifestyle, and long-term protection? Let's dive deep into the showdown. Carnauba wax vs synthetic wax, and help you decide which one deserves a spot in your garage. Natural shine with Carnauba wax. Carnauba wax is a natural product derived from the leaves of the Brazilian palm tree. It's long been prized in the detailing world for its deep, warm, and glossy finish that enhances darker paint colors beautifully. When applied properly, it gives a rich, show carb look that's hard to beat. It's often blended with beeswax or other natural oils to make application smoother and more effective. But while the aesthetic results are stunning, Carnauba wax is known for its shorter lifespan. Typically, a coat will last anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks, depending on weather conditions and washing habits. This means more frequent applications are required to maintain that eye-catching shine. For enthusiasts and those who love to hand detail their cars regularly, Carnauba is a go-to choice.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Advanced protection with synthetic wax. Synthetic wax, also known as paint sealant, is a lab-engineered formula designed to offer longer-lasting protection. These products are made with polymers and resins that chemically bond with your vehicle's clear coat, creating a strong, durable shield. Unlike Carnauba, synthetic wax can last up to 6 months or more with minimal maintenance. In terms of protection, synthetic waxes are excellent at repelling water, UV rays, dirt, and environmental contaminants. They're easier to apply in all temperatures, and some even come in spray or liquid forms for quick detailing. While the finish may not have the same rich glow as natural Carnauba, synthetic wax delivers a sharper, more reflective shine, often preferred on lighter-colored vehicles. Application and ease of use. When comparing Carnauba wax with synthetic wax, application process and ease of use are important factors. Carnauba typically requires more elbow grease. It needs to be applied by hand, left to haze, and buffed out to achieve its signature look. Synthetic waxes, on the other hand, are often quicker to apply, making them ideal for people who want efficiency without compromising protection. Additionally, synthetic products are less sensitive to heat and humidity, which can affect Carnauba wax during application. For those living in warmer climates or seeking low-maintenance detailing, synthetic wax often takes the win. Cost and value over time. Carnauba waxes tend to be more expensive per ounce, especially the high-grade ones. However, for those seeking the ultimate showroom shine, the investment is often worth it. Synthetic waxes, while generally more affordable, offer better value in the long run due to their extended durability and less frequent reapplications. Which should you choose? If your top priority is jaw-dropping shine and you're willing to put in the time, Carnauba wax will give you the classic, luxurious look. But if you want long-term protection, ease of use, and value, especially in harsh weather or daily driving conditions, synthetic wax might be the smarter choice. Whether you crave the warm glow of Carnauba or the resilient shield of synthetic, the right wax can transform your car's look and life. Both Carnauba and synthetic waxes have their strengths. It all comes down to what your car needs and how much effort you're willing to put in. Whether you choose the natural glow of Carnauba or the high-tech defense of synthetic, one thing's for sure, a well-waxed car always stands out.